In today's digital age, defense contractors face unprecedented cybersecurity threats. Hackers are becoming more sophisticated, targeting sensitive information crucial to national security. The stakes have never been higher. We are here to help you reduce risk and get where you want to be. CMMC compliance is not just a regulatory requirement, it's a shield against these threats. By adhering to its standards, companies can protect vital data and maintain trust with the Department of Defense. Ignoring CMMC compliance can lead to severe consequences. Companies risk losing contracts, facing legal repercussions, and damaging their reputation. The cost of non-compliance is too high to ignore. The CMMC model is structured into maturity levels, each with specific requirements. These levels ensure that companies progressively enhance their cybersecurity measures. CMMC version 2 simplifies the framework by transitioning from 5 to 3 tiers. This change makes it easier for companies to understand and implement necessary controls. Each maturity level has key requirements. Level 1 focuses on basic cyber hygiene, while Level 3 demands advanced security measures. Understanding these is crucial for compliance. Defense contractors are prime targets for cyber threats. From espionage to data breaches, the risks are vast and varied, making robust cybersecurity essential. Island hopping is a tactic where attackers infiltrate smaller subcontractors to access larger networks. CMC aims to prevent such breaches by enforcing stringent security measures. By implementing CMMC, companies can mitigate these threats, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure and out of malicious hands. A CMMC audit involves several steps, from pre-assessment readiness to final certification. Understanding this process is vital for a successful outcome. C3PAO entities play a crucial role in the certification process. They conduct audits ensuring that companies meet the required standards for their maturity level. Common pitfalls during audits include lack of documentation and inadequate training. Avoid these by preparing thoroughly and ensuring all requirements are met. While CMMC offers some flexibility, achieving compliance can be challenging. Companies must navigate complex requirements and ensure all controls are in place. Administrative controls and evidence are crucial for compliance. Companies must document their processes and demonstrate consistent security practices to pass audits. Arrakis Consulting offers expert guidance in achieving CMMC compliance. From pre-assessment readiness to training, they provide comprehensive support tailored to your needs. Partnering with Arrakis Consulting ensures you have a trusted advisor by your side. Their expertise can help you navigate the complexities of CMMC and achieve certification. The future of CMMC will impact all federal contracts. Staying ahead of regulatory changes is crucial for maintaining compliance and securing new opportunities. Prepare your company for upcoming CMMC requirements by staying informed and proactive. Continuous improvement and vigilance are key to long-term success. Begin your journey to CMMC compliance by taking the first steps today. Leverage Arrakis Consulting's expertise to ensure a successful outcome and secure your company's future. Continuous improvement and vigilance are essential. By staying compliant, you'll protect sensitive information and maintain trust with the Department of Defense. Let's work together to achieve this goal. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com for more information on how we can help you.